Hi, welcome back. I'm Annie Skizzlebash, founder of Mindful Sales Training, and you are watching the 30-day video challenge. I challenge myself to deliver you a video a day in the month of September to help you elevate your game so you can end this year on a high. Today's tip is to eliminate one thing getting in the way of sales success, and that is your attitude. Now, I've run quite a few workshops around London, and you occasionally get someone in the audience who have this view of their customers that they don't get it, they don't respond, and they don't care, and they're cheapskates, and it's coming from a bit of a negative place, a negative conversation. And if you're coming from that negative place, what you end up doing, any solutions you come up with, you end up just reaffirming and proving yourself right. And it's a bias that humans have. It's called a confirmation bias, where you want to be right. Okay, so it's completely subconscious. So you're completely unaware of it. So if you're coming from this place, if you're operating from a place of they're all fools and they don't get it, and so on, ideas, actions end up just proving you're right. See, I'm right. See, I told you. So so the solution is to let go of that attitude. Instead, serve from a place of gratitude. What does that mean? It means feeling it like it's a privilege for you to be doing what you're doing and helping those people. It's a feeling that you're lucky to be where you are, helping your prospects solve that problem. Come from a place of solving a problem, trying to help them succeed, as opposed to they don't get it, they're completely irresponsive, they never reply, and so on. Focus on the positive. Because what you end up doing is, when you're coming from a place of gratitude and a place of more of a positive mindset, you're more likely to open yourself up to come up with solutions, new ideas, to then reaffirm that you are right. It's like me, so let's just take my example. So I sell my, sales, I've got my online programs and so on. I sell these sales services. And yes, there are times where if I thought to myself, if I acted and came from a place of, oh, they don't get it, sales are so important, but they don't get it, they don't care, it's the last thing on their mind, all they care about is the product and so on. How am I going to come up with anything? There's no way I'd be doing these videos for you if I was coming from that space, okay? So it's about dropping that they don't get it, and they're so, to, I'm so grateful, I'm so lucky I get the privilege to serve people like you, that I get to help you succeed, and I'm going to continue finding ways to help you succeed. So when you come from that space, you're more likely to get a response from them, and you're more likely to come up with new ideas, right? So one tip to help you move towards sales success: drop the attitude, focus on gratitude. Okay, so that's the tips today. If you found value in it, please share it. And subscribe. If you're looking on YouTube, head on over to mindfulsalestraining.net, subscribe, and you'll get a bunch of goodies. Okay, this is Annie Skizzlebash, founder of Mindful Sales Training, and I will see you tomorrow.